How to check Gemini credit card fees and limits. First of all, open the app on your device and log in to your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar to access your Gemini credit card. Then scroll down and select the settings or card details option. Here you will find the complete breakdown of your Gemini credit card fees, including annual fees, late payment fees, foreign transaction fees, and any other applicable charges. You can also view your card limits such as daily spending limits, ATM withdrawal limits, and transaction restrictions to help you manage your finances efficiently. Make sure to review these details carefully so you can avoid unexpected charges and plan your spending wisely. Knowing your fees and limits can help you maximize rewards, maintain account security, and use your Gemini credit card responsibly. If you have any questions about your limits or fees, you can contact Gemini support for assistance. Now you know how to check your Gemini credit card fees and limits easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.